Díoghuit agus fáilte arás. In this video we're going to look at 5 completely random words in Irish beginning with the letter C. If you would like to see more videos just like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can also hit that bell notification so you can be notified whenever I make a new video. Okay, the first Irish word beginning with the letter C is the Irish verb to throw, which is ca. So cha me is the past tense of it, as in I threw. Cam is the present tense, and caithfidh me is the future tense of the verb ca, to throw. But don't forget, the verb ca can also mean to spend, to wear, and even to smoke. Let's look at some examples now of sentences where you can use that verb. Mar hampla, cha Moira a cóta an gcathaoir. Mary threw her coat on the chair. Cha Moira a cóta an gcathaoir. Cha sé an tuafás airgid He spent an awful lot of money on it. Cha sé an tuafás airgid Caitheann sé spéc lí. He wears glasses or spectacles. Caitheann sé spéc lí. And finally, caitheann sé 20 sa lá. He smokes 20 a day. Caitheann sé 20 sa lá. 20, the Irish word for 20. Next we have this word here, which is cio, which is the Irish word for fog. Cio. Lá ceover is a foggy day, and cio trum is heavy fog. Cio trum. For example, glonnig an cio sin go lua. The fog will clear soon. Glonnig an cio sin go lua. Go lua meaning soon. Okay, next then we have this word, which is císte. Císte is the Irish word for cake. But another word for cake, also beginning with the letter C, is caca. So, mar hampla, caca baile is a homemade cake. Caca baile. Ghear sé an císte. He cut the cake. Ghear sé an císte. Ghear coming from the Irish verb ghear, which is to cut or to shorten. Next we have the Irish word for sure or certain, which is cinta. Cinta. Now you may hear this pronounced cinta as well, which is perfectly fine, but I prefer cinta. An bhfuil tú cinta? Are you sure? Déan cinta go mbeidh sé an seo. Make sure that he will be here. Déan cinta go mbeidh sé an seo. Okay. Next and finally we have the Irish word for careful, which is cúramach. Cúramach. Mar hampla, be cúramach an móthar. Be careful on the road. Be cúramach an móthar. Be cúramach leis sin. Tá sé so bhriste. Be careful with that. It is fragile. Be cúramach leis sin. Tá sé so bhriste. Okay, if you would like to see more videos, please hit that subscribe button, and you can also have a look at the channel and check out the playlists for more videos that you might enjoy or that might suit you. Gurb mágad agus feicigh mé go luathú.